Auto Arena brings you an in-depth review of the 2025 Jeep Liberty covering its specs, features and overall performance. This latest model continues the Jeep legacy with the bold design and enhanced capabilities, making it a great choice for those who love adventure and reliability. The exterior of the 2025 Jeep Liberty features a refreshed look with the modern front grille, sleek LED headlights and a more aerodynamic body. The rugged design maintains the classic Jeep DNA while incorporating contemporary styling elements that make it stand out on the road. Its muscular stance and high ground clearance ensure it remains a top contender in the off-road segment. Under the hood, the Jeep Liberty 2025 offers multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder and a powerful V6 for those who crave more performance. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction on different terrains, making it a reliable companion for both city driving and off-road escapades. The refined suspension system enhances ride comfort while still providing the ruggedness needed for tough trails. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Jeep Liberty is packed with advanced technology and comfort features. The interior boasts premium materials with the driver-centric layout, ensuring an engaging driving experience. The large touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with the latest Connect software, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium sound system, wireless charging and multiple USB ports add to the convenience and entertainment factor. Passenger comfort is a priority with spacious seating and enhanced ergonomics. The adjustable seats with heating and cooling options ensure a comfortable ride regardless of the weather. Dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof elevate the overall experience, making long journeys more enjoyable. Safety is a major focus in the 2025 Jeep Liberty, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. The high-strength frame and multiple airbags provide an added layer of protection, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers. One of the highlights of the 2025 Jeep Liberty is its off-road capability. Equipped with Jeep's signature 4x4 system, skid plates and an improved traction management system, it is built to handle rough terrain effortlessly. Whether it's rocky trails, snow-covered roads or sandy dunes, this SUV is engineered for adventure without compromising on comfort and convenience. Fuel efficiency has been improved with the latest engine technology, providing a balance between power and economy. The hybrid variant offers even better mileage, making it a great option for those looking for an eco-friendly alternative without sacrificing performance. Overall, the 2025 Jeep Liberty is a well-rounded SUV that combines ruggedness with modern-day comfort and technology. Whether you are an off-road enthusiast or need a reliable daily driver, this vehicle delivers on all fronts with a compelling mix of performance, safety and innovation. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.